Good morning. I've just planted out the last of my sweet peas that I started, and I found I need 72 more, and that's just for the first succession. So, whoops, there's some go. Here's the thing about some of these envelopes. They tear easy, and if they get wet at all, you'll lose your seed. So there's two. Here are a few tips to growing sweet peas more successfully. First, you're going to want to dig that soil down deep. You don't want it to be prepared just shallow. You want to dig it down at least 2 feet deep. And the deeper you prepare the soil, the more vigorous the plants can be, because sweet peas have very long roots. Planting early is one of the secrets to growing sweet peas successfully. You're going to want to start earlier than later. So February is better than March. March is better than April. Soak the seeds for 10 to 12 hours to soften this outer skin so the seed can sprout faster. Good seeds should sprout within 10 to 20 days. It's possible to actually grow sweet peas that have stems 18 to 20 inches long. You can pinch the sweet pea plants to help them bush out and give you a bigger plant. What you do is you grab that central stem and you pinch right above a set of true leaves. When it gets to be about 4 to 6 inches tall, that's when you can pinch out that little tip. Sweet peas are heavy feeders and they want to be fed weekly with a seaweed application. Follow the instructions on the bottle to make sure you don't overfeed. Feeding regularly helps develop long stems, beautiful flowers, large blooms, and ample foliage. They grow quick and need a strong trellis to grow on. A single healthy seed can produce a plant that will create about 100 seeds in 4 months. Now that's going to be if you don't pick all those blooms. If you save some for seed, and if you're growing for seed, you're going to get 100 seeds from one plant. They're thirsty, so give them consistent moisture. They like it moist, but not wet. When flowering, harvest every other day to catch them at their best. And you're going to pick them in the morning, so that's when they're going to be fully hydrated and rested. So that will give them the best chance. A crop of sweet peas planted in the middle of August will give you a crop in October. Heat and dryness are harmful to sweet peas, so even a day of heat and dry can kill your sweet peas. So you're going to want to watch them, make sure they have enough moisture. They don't like heavy or soggy soil. Railed, well-drained, deep, moisture-holding soil. The last thing is that sweet peas are poisonous, so use caution and keep them away from children and pets.